In the biblical story of the Tower of Babel, mankind sought to build a tower that reached the heavens, a symbol of their pride and arrogance. This tale from Genesis, one of the most well-known in the Bible, tells a story of humanity's audacity. A collective endeavor by hubris to rival the divine. God, in his wisdom, responded by creating a plethora of languages, causing confusion and discord among the builders. This forced scattering led to the formation of varied cultures and languages we see today. This story teaches us the dangers of pride and the consequences of seeking to elevate ourselves above all else. From the Tower of Babel, we learn the importance of humility and the recognition of our limitations. This biblical story is a testament to the power of humility and the perils of overreaching one's boundaries. It offers a lesson, not just of vanity and pride, but also of the value in acknowledging our restrictions. It illustrates the concept that, in our pursuit for greatness, we must always remember to stay humble. It emphasizes that every achievement, every tower we build, should not come from a place of arrogance, but rather from a place of respect and awe for the forces that are beyond us. This story is a gentle warning, a reminder that it is through humility, not arrogance, that we truly grow. It's a story that calls us to honor and recognize our own constraints, to remind us that we are not invincible. It pushes us to remember to keep our feet on the ground, even as we reach for the sky. It reminds us that true greatness comes from a place of humility and reverence for a power greater than ourselves. This narrative is a formidable testament to the indispensable need for unity, camaraderie, and comprehension amongst all individuals, regardless of their backgrounds, ethnicities, or beliefs. It educates us that unity isn't merely about standing together. It's about working together, being in sync, and sharing common goals and visions. The story imparts the potent message that when we collaborate in unison, in an atmosphere of mutual respect and understanding, we become far more powerful than the sum of our individual capabilities. It brilliantly showcases that when we unite in harmony and cooperation, transcending our differences, we can reach unparalleled heights of success and achieve greatness. The story profoundly teaches us that when we come together in harmony and cooperation, we can achieve great things. Let us reflect on the lessons of the Tower of Babel, an intriguing tale from antiquity that has much to teach us today. Consider the grandeur of the structure, a testament to human aspiration, yet also a symbol of our hubris and eventual downfall. The story serves as a stark reminder of the potential pitfalls of unchecked ambition and the importance of humility. It encourages us to strive for a world where humility, unity, and understanding are the qualities we champion. In the face of adversity and division, may we seek solace in our shared humanity and mutual respect. Learning from this ancient tale, we should cultivate a spirit of cooperation and build bridges of understanding and acceptance. Embrace the lessons and strive to build an inclusive, compassionate world. In our quest for connection, let us not forget the importance of our spiritual path. May we seek connection with God and find strength in faith. If you found this message inspiring, please like and subscribe to our channel for more empowering and enriching content. Our aim is to offer you an abundance of wisdom and guidance that is immersed in faith and the sacred teachings of the Bible. Our channel is a platform that aspires to instill hope, ignite the spirit, and navigate the journey of life with a divine compass. We believe in fostering spiritual growth, instilling faith, and encouraging enlightenment. Here, every moment is a journey towards greater wisdom and stronger faith. Every step a stride towards enlightenment. So come, take part in our mission to enlighten, inspire, and guide. Let us foster a community that cherishes faith, values wisdom, and grows together. Remember, the journey is as significant as the destination. So join us on this enlightening voyage. Step into a world of wisdom, and let us strive together to make it a beacon of enlightenment, a treasure trove of spiritual wealth. Thank you for joining us on this journey of spiritual growth and enlightenment.